Fucked up! Where's the fun line?
We found our group, I think.
Rednecks gone wild.
Woo!
You don't need it. Fucking go for it.
I need a cigarette. Hey, here's your can. That's not the one, sorry.
Give me a cigarette.
No. That might be the one. Hang on to it.
Oh shit, don't let me bump you.
That's a great picture. Now you're all right. You bump me. We got bumper pool. We're in the bumper pool. Folks, if you've missed the first annual Rednecks Gone Wild tube float, you've missed a good one. We've got a great crowd out here. 2014, this is June 7th in Milton, Florida. Bob's Canoes. This is the Coldwater Creek. That's right. Let me take this minute to say thank you to everybody that came out for this event. We hope that y'all can come to the next one next year.
Rednecks Gone Wild, goddammit, be there.
That's right. Say it one more time.
Be there, Rednecks Gone Wild, Pensacola, Florida, Blackwater River. Oh yeah.
Coldwater Creek. He's fucked up.
Cracking because of dragon.
If y'all missed the audio that just happened, they were talking about her butt was cracking. They're not calling her butt the Kraken. I'm probably not even aiming it. I'm probably aiming the video up in the sky somewhere. I'm about to have a collision. Thank you.
No problem.
Y'all on TV. Y'all gonna be on TV.
Nice. So are you.
RednecksGoneWild.com.